Reasons why flax seeds are good for your health. Flaxseed, which also goes by the name of linseed, has been cherished as one of the most health-protective plant foods on the planet for centuries now. Going as far back as the Babylonian era, flaxseed was cultivated by the ancient Egyptians, making it one of the oldest fiber crops known to man. So many years down the line, these small, brown, tan, or golden seeds derived from the flax plant known as Linum usitatissimum continue to top the charts in terms of global patronage and health benefits. Along with being one of the world's first cultivated foods, flax seeds have been a medicinal favorite for the Ayurvedic school of medicine for the longest time. Flax or flaxseed oil can be found in a host of food products such as crackers, oatmeal, smoothies, baked goods, juices, milk and dairy products, muffins, dry pasta, macaroni, and meat products. More recently, there has been an unparalleled surge of flax-based products entering the market, and the consumers are just lapping them all up. While flax seeds have gained much traction for their nutty taste and earthy aroma, they also have many health benefits to boot. Health experts do not tire of extolling the nutritional virtues of flax seeds that account for its myriad disease-fighting and health-promoting advantages. Here are 10 health benefits of flax seeds. 1. Improves digestive health. Flax seed is high in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. It can facilitate the passage of food through the intestines and even improve intestinal absorption of nutrients. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds also protect the lining of the digestive tract and help maintain gastrointestinal health. Plus, flax seeds and flaxseed oil work as natural laxatives that can alleviate constipation. However, when consuming ground flax seeds, make sure to also drink a good amount of water, or it can cause side effects that could aggravate your tummy troubles and even cause intestinal blockage. 2. Protects against heart disease. Flax seeds contain many heart-healthy nutrients that can mitigate the risk of a number of cardiovascular ailments. It is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are important to keep your heart in optimal health. Large-scale epidemiologic studies suggest that people at risk for heart disease benefit from eating fatty fish and plant sources of omega-3. Some plant-derived omega-3 fatty acids are found in tofu, soybeans, walnuts, canola oil, and flax seeds and their oils. Plus, flax seeds can stave off heart disease and stroke by reducing the buildup of plaque in the arteries and inflammation, which is known to promote hardening of the arteries. You can include ground flax seeds in your diet for a healthy heart. 3. Eases menopausal symptoms. A 2013 study found that flax seeds can be very effective for menopausal women in fighting the symptoms of menopause. The lignans in flax seeds have estrogenic properties that can help reduce hot flashes, mood disturbances, and vaginal dryness. Furthermore, flax seeds can help menstruating women maintain a regular cycle and promote fertility. While the optimum dosage to maximize these health perks of flax seeds is yet undetermined, current health experts stipulate no more than 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds a day. 4. Lowers bad cholesterol. Regular intake of flax seeds can help bring down your bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein (LDL) levels. A study published in Nutrition Research demonstrated the effectiveness of the daily consumption of 100 milligrams of flax seeds in reducing blood cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of liver disease in men with moderately high levels of cholesterol. Several flavonoids found in flax seeds help lower the levels of LDL and may also reduce your risk of heart disease. Flax seeds also contains phytosterols, which are structurally similar to cholesterol and thereby compete with and inhibit the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. Consume 2 to 4 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily to help lower your LDL level. 5. Promotes weight loss. The 3 main components in flax seeds that aid in weight loss are omega-3 essential fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. Plus, flax seeds have B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, and zinc, which are essential in weight loss. flax seeds' capability as a weight loss agent was further highlighted by a study demonstrating the favorable effect of flax seeds consumption, 30 g/day, on shedding the extra weight observed among overweight and obese people. When it comes to weight loss, use ground flax seeds rather than whole ones. Sprinkle it on your salads, soups, yogurt, smoothies, or any vegetable or mixed juice. 6. Stabilizes blood sugar. Daily intake of flax seeds can improve blood sugar levels in people who have type 2 diabetes. A 2007 study published in the Public Library of Science I found that people who consumed flaxseed-derived lignin supplements, 360 mg lignin/day, for 12 weeks had lower blood sugar levels. Plus, flax seeds has alpha-linolenic acid, protein, and fiber, which are important for controlling high blood sugar. Maintaining a normal blood sugar level can, in turn, prevent complications such as kidney failure and can reduce the risk of heart disease. You can consult your doctor and take flax seeds along with your medicines to control diabetes. Keep monitoring your blood sugar levels to avoid the risk of hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. 7. Aids detoxification. The main purpose of detoxifying your body is to make sure harmful toxins, cholesterol, and other waste products processed by the liver are eliminated properly. Flax seeds contains both soluble and insoluble fibers that are very effective in flushing out toxins from the intestinal tract. Plus, flax seeds is loaded with essential fatty acids, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a number of cleansing functions and maintaining a healthy immune system. When your body is free of toxins, you are less likely to suffer from chronic fatigue, weakness, inflammation, and congestion. How to use? You can use both whole and ground flax seeds for detoxification. Soak 1 tablespoon of whole flaxseed in 1 cup of water overnight. The next morning, eat both the seeds and gel. Repeat daily for 2 weeks. You can also add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds to any green detox smoothie. 8. Solves hair problems. Flax seeds is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that nourish hair follicles to make them strong and healthy. The vitamin E in flax seeds provides nourishment to the hair roots, shafts, and scalp. Thus, flax seeds come packed with wholesome goodness for your hair and help treat hair loss and prevent baldness. In fact, it can help people recover from psoriasis-related hair loss. So, include freshly ground flax seeds or flaxseed oil in your regular diet. Those with curly and frizzy hair can also use a hair gel prepared by boiling flax seeds in water. 9. Makes skin healthy. The healthy fats and B vitamins in flax seeds and flaxseed oil are beneficial for the skin. Flax seeds can help reduce dryness and flakiness and improve symptoms of acne, rosacea, eczema, skin allergies, and sunburn. Some animal studies suggest that the anti-inflammatory properties of flax seeds can minimize skin irritation, rashes, tissue inflammation, and redness. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds help keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Also, it can speed up the healing of skin wounds. Mix flaxseed oil with a few drops of an essential oil and use it as a natural skin moisturizer. Also, eat flax seeds on a daily basis to achieve healthy and young-looking skin. 10. Reduces cancer risk. The latest research from the American Institute for Cancer Research states that foods containing dietary fiber, including flax seeds, may help lower the risk of colorectal cancer. In addition, studies do not support the idea that flax seeds could increase the incidence of breast cancer. More research regarding their effect on prostate cancer is needed. Flax seeds contain about 800 times higher lignans than any other food. The high levels of lignans found in flax seeds protect against breast cancer by blocking enzymes involved in the hormone metabolism that is responsible for the growth and spread of tumor cells. Plus, both ground flax seeds and flaxseed oil are high in alpha-linolenic acid and omega-3 fatty acid that prevents the incidence and growth of cancerous tumors. You can add ground flax seeds to your yogurt or a smoothie. Also, add flaxseed oil to salad dressings and baked goods. Nutritional value of flax seeds. The most important nutritional elements of flax seeds are ALA and omega-3 fatty acid, lignans, and fiber. In fact, flax seeds are the richest source of lignans, a plant-based compound that has both estrogen and antioxidant properties, with sesame seeds coming a distant second. Plus, flax seeds contains both soluble and insoluble fibers along with vitamin B1, protein, copper, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and selenium.